Hello, I'm Claudette Capili. For us to appreciate more of the topic, I will show you an example of a typical absorber design problem and I will give an overview of the solution. Treat 500 SCFM of air containing 14 mole% acetone to remove 95% of the acetone by absorption in liquid water in a packed bed operating at 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 1 atmosphere. With 1-inch Raschig rings, the feed water contains 0.02% acetone and the flow rate is 1.1 times the minimum. As the designer, we must select the following. These are the most important parameters in an absorber design: flow rate of water, diameter of tower, and height of packing. Let's start with the choice of liquid flow rate. The flow rate of water is equal to 1.1 to 1.5 times the liquid minimum. Just as with the distillation, there's a minimum L/B required to achieve the desired separation. In typical operation of an absorber, the liquid rate is chosen to be just above the minimum. As for the diameter of the tower is usually chosen on the basis of pressure drop. The ratio of its pressure drop to its tower height must be equal to 0.25 to 0.5 inch of water per feet of packing. Generally, for a particular LNV, the smaller the column diameter, the larger the mass velocities will be, and the larger the pressure drop. So, large mass velocities are desirable because they give high mass transfer coefficients, but too large mass velocities cause flooding, which severely decreases mass transfer rates. The pressure drop above is about optimum. And lastly, the height of the tower is determined by mass transfer rates. Basically, the gas and liquid phases need to be in contact for a certain time for the acetone to diffuse from the gas phase into the liquid. This equation is called the design equation. This is called the height of one transfer unit, where KYA is the overall mass transfer coefficient times the interfacial area per unit volume of packing. This is called the number of transfer units, where Y is the mole fraction of the transferable component and Y minus Y star is the local driving force mass transfer. That's all. Thank you. More detailed examples are to be discussed by the next reporters. Here is Mr. Marcelo de la Cruz for the next discussion.